welcome back to my channel. So this is my class number 8 of the series of Canva. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make social media posts while using Canva. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to click on more, and then what you're going to search for Instagram or Facebook, it's up to you. I'm just going to type Instagram, and I'm going to click the first image. This is what I made, and I'm going to teach you how to make posts like these. You can explore more, but I'm going to teach you this as a sample. So let's dive into it. First of all, what you're going to do is go in the Elements panel and search for Podium. Go in Photos, and there's several podiums you could use. Well, what am I going to use? I'm going to show you. This is what I am gonna use. I'm gonna click it. I'm gonna right click on it, set image as background. I'm gonna double click on it and reposition it somewhere around here. And then what I'm gonna do is then I'm gonna search for perfume. And then I'm gonna scroll down. So I'm gonna choose this one right here. I'm gonna resize it a bit. And I'm going to reposition it over here like this. Alright. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go in the text column. I'm going to click on add a heading. And I'm going to write over here perfumes. Enter. I'm going to click shift and 7 for this type of end. And I'm going to write cosmetics. Like this. Now what I'm going to do is then I'm going to change the font to this type of font, the seasons. I'm going to click it, and I've already saved this type of color. It is like, I don't know, I like this color. Now what is this option you might be thinking? I'm just going to bring it down for preview. Basically, you can increase the letter spacing. You can increase your letter spacing. And you could even increase your line or decrease your line spacing. I'm gonna keep it like this. Just gonna increase it a little. And what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna place it over here, resize it a little, and I'm gonna put it like this. Now what I'm gonna do is then I'm gonna click on add a little bit of body text, and I'm gonna do it. And I'm gonna write over here limited offer like this. And then I'm going to change its font to Open Sans. Where's the Open Sans? Let's search for it. Oh, Open. And here is it, Open Sans. Let's keep the color white. And let's decrease its length. And now let's apply it above it. Now I'm going to click on Alt and drag it over here. And I'm going to write over here that final sale. Now I'm just writing random things. It's not a real, it's not a real post, but it's kind of a creative post. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to increase the size of this a little. And by the help of guys, you could do pretty much good analyzing. And now my post is ready. So now let's move on. So guys, now I'm going to make this type of post. So let's dive into it. First of all, I'm going to open a new page. And then I'm going to search for wooden podium this time to get specifically what I need. I need to go in basically photos. I'm going to scroll down to find it. I'm going to take this one right here. I'm going to set image as background. Now this is my background is fixed perfect. Now I'm going to search for cosmetics bottles. Alright. Now I'm going to go in graphics. And now I'm going to search for cosmetic. I found this photo in the photos panel. I'm going to click this one right here. I'm going to resize it a little. I'm going to put it above my podium. like this. I'm gonna fix my arrangement. I'm gonna search for a shadow. I'm gonna be in the graphics panel. I'm gonna search for this type of shadow. I'm gonna resize it a bit. I'm gonna move its position like something like that. I'm gonna resize it a bit like this. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna lower its transparency, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do control this type of square bracket to put it behind the bottle. Now it created a realistic shade on the wood. Let's enhance it a bit more. Now it's better. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna go and text column. I'm gonna search for add heading, and then I'm gonna type in it coming soon. Coming soon. I'm gonna increase the font, and I'm gonna put it over here. And then I'm gonna search for the seasons. Alright. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna resize it a bit. Put it over here in the middle. These smart guides are helping me out. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go here and click on editing. Now I'm gonna create my own personalized screen like this. Done. Alright. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna click Alt and drag it. And then when I'm gonna new project like this, I'm gonna search for get it. I'm gonna go over here and search for a get it font. And I'm gonna click over here. I'm gonna remove the bold. And then what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna choose this color. I'm gonna resize it. I'm gonna position it to the center. I'm gonna go in the spacing panel and I'm gonna space the letters 400 like this. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna remove the bold and voila. So in this video I basically created two types of post. Post number one, no, post number one and post number two. So you can explore it by your own. It's pretty fun. And yeah, let me teach you how to apply the logo. Like for example, if you want to apply a logo, I'm gonna come over here and search for a random logo made from any creator, I don't know. I'm choosing this logo. Like, don't mind, I'm just choosing a random logo. When you're gonna work on an actual project, you can basically customize your own logo. I'm gonna resize it a bit. And now I've even teach you how to upload a logo. Mostly people apply their logo over here like this, and I'm just gonna find a logo for this one also, and I already found it. I'm gonna change its color to this or green, and then I'm gonna position it to the center. So it's like up to you if you want to put it over here or here. So I guess I'm gonna end the video. So hope you loved my video. So meet you in the next video. Bye bye.